sweated so much. Hey guys, it's your girl Des, back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today's video we're going to be vlogging. It's going to be a week in my life. So it's currently Tuesday. It's 2:38 and I'm about to head to the beauty supply store to get some hair. So I'm gonna get my hair done, just a quick little braided ponytail, but I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, I think. But today I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store. I think I'm gonna go to the gym because I have on a workout outfit. Why not go to the gym? And then I also think I'm gonna get a tattoo. So we're gonna see where the day takes us, but I'm gonna give you a fit check. And don't mind where I'm room because I'm doing this project, so that's why I have these boards here. Okay guys, so this is the fit check. I have on this cute two-piece workout set from Shein. So this is the two-piece set. And then I'm wearing my Converse. So really chill, cute fit day. And to way into my face. But yeah, I'm about to head out, and I think we'll just bring my topper. So let's go. Put on my selfies. I don't know why I feel like I'm gonna keep having nipple slips in this freaking thing. We gotta make sure we're secure. But this is like with the topper. So yeah. This place is super cute, guys. Okay guys, currently at my first tattoo appointment and I'm scared as fuck. But I'm super excited. I'm getting 3 for my first one. So I'm gonna put on the screen the ones that I want or whatever. Actually, I'm gonna just show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the ones that I want. So we're gonna get 222 here, red butterflies behind the ear, and then happiness over everything like on my foot. And then tomorrow I might come back and get like less there, but I also like the word resilient because I feel like that represents me better. So I don't know. I know they worth it. Okay guys, so I just came from getting my tattoos done, and just came from getting my tattoo done, and they gave me like an aftercare thing, and I got this tattoo lotion. So I'm gonna show you the ones that I can show you right now. So this is the one behind my ear. It has like 2 butterflies. You guys can see. And then I got 222 right here. And then on my foot, I got it's kind of hard to see, but I got like happiness over everything. So it's cute. Okay guys, so y'all, it's a little later in the day and I am currently working on my graduation project. I got Chick-fil-A after I went to the hair store, so yeah, I'm just loving the tattoos, y'all. Loving them. But I'm making my graduation project now. So basically, this is what I have so far, and this is what I'm trying to recreate. So, wait, let it focus. So I don't know. Y'all tell me. But I don't really care. So I just have to finish painting this in order to graduate and go to prom. So y'all can watch me paint. Okay guys, so it's a few days later. I didn't get my hair done yet, but when I do, I'm record it. But right now I'm about to go to the gym. It's my little gym check fit. When I come back, we're gonna clean my room. We're about to get Chick-fil-A and then go to the gym. So yeah, we just have to be productive today. I put on these press-ons, but I need to put that one on. But they're cute. So let's go. Okay guys, so I got Chick-fil-A. That's my video.
Oh, okay.
So I got Chick-fil-A and I'm about to try the new Chick-fil-A drink, and it's like a cold berry sunjoy. So tastes like iced tea with like raspberry something, but it's good. And they have like, and it's only one size, which is okay because I don't know if I was gonna like this anyway. Okay guys, so I just finished my workout and I'm high as fuck. You can see sweating. And I wore my little sweat trainer. So, yeah. Workout, hope. Yo, I just took my sweat thing off. I don't even know if y'all can see. Sweated so much. Hey guys, so I'm back from the gym. I took a shower when I got back, which is why my hair is like in this current state. But yeah, I took a shower, got rejuvenated. So we're gonna clean my room because number one, it's kind of messy. Number two, I bought some room decor that I'm gonna put in my room. So why not? I didn't show you guys what I went to Five Below, but I'm gonna show you what I got. So Five Below haul. First thing I got is like a planner. It says things to do, and it says like, you know, Monday through Sunday. And this is just to help me like with my scheduling, like, okay, I need to upload this, I need to post this, like, because I have to get back on my shit. Like, I have been slacking. I have not been giving the girls what I've been needing to give the girls. I'm so sorry. I got gray sheet set, really basic, just a gray sheet set. And then I got like a lavender comforter to go with it, because recently I've just been loving lavender for some reason. But pink is still number one. I got this little fur rug, but I don't know why I got this, because this isn't really giving the aesthetic that I don't know. I just got it because I got it. And then, you know, the pink water bottle. And then some like little art supplies. So I got 2 of these canvases set. So this one is like the sun, the moon, and the other one is like flowers, and it comes with paint in the back, which is really cool. So I got those. So oh, and I got a new hamper, because this hamper is also from Five Below, but this is like done. But this hamper is also lavender, and it's really cute, and it's really big for $5. Like, look at that. So that's all the things I got. I'm about to show you guys me straightening out my room and applying my new things. So I put this up. Cute. Guys, this is Storm. She is a all gray cat. She's grown since I got her. I had her for like 2 or 3 weeks, I think. Her name is Storm, and wanted her to be a part of this vlog and meet you guys. She wants to get down because I'm actually about to make her food. So I just washed out her thing. So jeez, these things are hard to open. And then she also likes milk, so I'm going to pour her some of that. She hasn't really gotten to water. She drinks it, but she prefers milk. And this is her. So guys, this is her eating. I still have her like eating and stuff in my room right now, just so she is protected from the other cats that I have in my house. But she has been out and stuff like that. She's actually really good, and they also like to eat her food. She fucking that shit up. But I wanted to introduce her to you guys, because you know you guys are my fam. I love y'all and I love her. Like, that's y'all baby, that's y'all niece. But this was all for this weekly vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. Stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you leave a like, comment down below some video ideas, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.